Okay, let us start our session today with a moment of silence and remembrance of our God. Fatiha. Okay, today we would like to do the analysis of the strain. Okay, last time we know about the strain, and then I know how to find the value of strain. We use the strain gauge to find the normal strain, and we use the equation to solve or to find the shear strain. So how many value that we need to know? The minimum value that we need to know. How many?
3.
3, yes. Once you have 3 value, any direction, you can find the basic fundamental. Whether it is EX, EY, gamma SY over 2 or some other direction which is 90 degrees. What's that? EA, EC, gamma AC over 2. Not necessarily XY. Okay, we can do the analysis after that. Okay, today we're going to try to do the analysis by 2 methods. The same with the stress analysis. The first method is by the equation. The second method is by the Mohr circle. Okay, today we're going to cover both of them together. Are you with me, guys?
Yes, doctor.
After we found that the strain in other direction, we can find the principal strain, we can find the maximum shear strain, the same thing with the stress analysis. What do we do after that? We can draw the element. In strain analysis is we can draw the element, not just know the value, we can draw the shape. Okay, clear, guys?
Clear.
Okay, let us do the example that we do in the homework 7C, I think, 7C. The 45 degrees, that one. What's the value again? What is EA again?
300. Positive
Positive 300.
micro strain.
Okay, EB?
Negative 250.
Okay, EC?
Negative
What is EC again?
negative 450.
Yeah. So what is X? X is always horizontal. Don't change it. XY is always horizontal and vertical. Don't change it. So this is 45 degrees. This is 45 degrees. We can draw the Mohr circle. We can draw the analysis by the 2 method, by the equation or by the Mohr circle. Same procedure. Okay. Let us do one by one first by the equation. So I want to find the principal strain. Sorry. I want to find the principal strain. And then number 2, I want to find maximum shear strain. And then I want to find at theta is equal to minus 30 degrees. What is the strain there? Element. Draw the element at element theta minus 30 degrees. Let me here. That time here, I have to, when 30 degrees there, minus 30 degrees there, the element must be a partner. When this is minus 30 degrees, this must be 60 degrees. Is that true?
Yes.
Yes. This is the term. The element cannot stand in one direction only. Must be a partner. X, Y, A, B, minus 30 and plus 60. That's the meaning of that one. So these are three things we have to find. The first one we do by equation. So before we do by equation, we have a choice. You want to do it by to start it by XY or by AC because this is 90 degrees. So you solve it by XY last time. So you got what is EX? By equation last time you saw EX. By XY. By XY. What is your EX last time you got? Your homework.
100, positive 100 microstrain.
Positive 100 microstrain. EY is equal to?
Negative 250, the same as EB.
Yeah. And then what is gamma XY over 2?
Positive 375 microstrain.
Positive 375 microstrain. What about the others? Is it okay?
Same.
Okay, sir.
Same.
Okay. Now we start by this. We must start by this. To find the principal strain. What is the equation last time? What do we have to find? We have to use by equation first time. This is by equation, okay? The first step is what?
Tangent.
Yes. Tangent to theta P is equal to, what is the equation last time?
Tau xy over half sigma x minus sigma y.
Tau xy over EX minus EY over 2, right?
Sigma. For stress.
Sigma, right? Sigma over sigma, right?
Yes.
This is the equation, right?
Yes.
In strain, what do we change?
Tau xy.
No? Tau xy is in the stress. In strain, what is the equation?
Gamma.
Gamma. So we change here to
XY over
gamma.
2.
Gamma xy over 2
Over
on
2.
top there. And then this is EX minus EY over 2. So then the 2 cancel out there. Are you with me?
Yes.
So what is the value there? So gamma xy over 2. Then if you don't have the 2 there, don't worry there. Just put it there. Gamma xy over 2 is 375. 375. What is EX? 100 minus plus 250 over 2. So what is the value there? What is the value, please?
In tangent, wanna shift tangent
Couldn't hear you because somebody is cutting the grass outside my house. That one very noisy. Again, what's the value?
Number one, it in degree or in tangent?
Again, the value of that.
The
That one
value
over
first
that one. What's the value?
2.143.
0 point
2.143.
2.143. And then what is 2 theta P?
64.98.
So what is theta P there?
32.49.
2.49. So this step you have to do that. Okay? This step you have to do that. So theta P is equal to 32.49. 2 theta P is equal to 64.98. Both are positive, right?
Yes.
Okay? So you finish that one. And then use the angle to find the principal strain. So what is E theta at theta is equal to 32.49. Equal to what? Just the first equation. What is that? EX plus EY over 2 plus EX minus EY over 2 cos 2 theta plus gamma XY over 2 sine 2 theta. So what do we have there? So EX we have 100 plus
Negative.
minus 50 over 2 plus 100 plus 250 over 2 cos 2 theta. 2 theta is 64.98 plus gamma is y over 2 is 375 sine 64.98. Wait a minute. Somebody is calling me. Okay. So what's the value there? We do it slowly and you can do on your own also. What's the value there? Everybody, you have to do on your own here.
338.82.
Somebody else can confirm it.
Yes.
Okay. Now what is the partner of that angle?
Plus 90 degree.
So what is E theta? Theta is equal to 32. So what is that one? 20?
122.49.
122.49. So what is the value there? Same thing here. 100 minus 250 divided by 2 plus 100 plus 250 divided by 2 cos theta is 122. So times 2 is what? 244.98.
98.
Okay, plus 375 sine 244.98. Okay, what is the value there? I want everybody to do the exercise at home now.
Negative 488.82.
Somebody else can confirm it?
Same.
Okay. If we put the value of gamma, the value of gamma will be 0 because this is principal, right? This is principal direction. So we can check that gamma. What is gamma? XY dot dot over 2. What is that? Minus EX minus EY over 2 sine 2 theta plus gamma XY over 2 cos 2 theta. So that value, you put it, it becomes 0. We can confirm it. If not 0, something wrong with our calculation. So what is that? What is EX there? Minus 100 minus plus 250 over 2 sine 2 theta. Theta go back to the original one. Theta is equal to 32.49. So 2 theta is 64.98 plus gamma is y 375 sine 64.98. So what is the value there?
0.0220.
Okay, 0. Confirm. That means our calculation is correct. Are you with me, guys?
Yes.
So now, how to draw this element? So the angle is 32.49. You must start with x. And you must start with x there. This is your x. So at an angle 32.49, don't draw your angles suka-suka je. You must draw the angle accordingly to that angle, roughly. So this is 45. So 32 must be less than 45. Like that. This is direction of what? Direction of 1. 32.5, and then the partner of it must be 2 there. These are the original shape. So what is the new shape? Read the value there. Read the value in the direction of 32, that one. This is 32. Must always show that one. The value is positive, 338. So must be positive. And then in the direction of 122 here, minus 488, minus, shorten, bigger. And the angle is 0. So is there any change in angle?
No, don't have.
So how do we draw the new element?
Just 90 degree to off.
Exactly. The element must be 90 degrees. This is how confident you must do. No argument. This is E1. E1 is equal to 338. This is E2. Equal to minus 488. Are you with me, guys?
Yes.
This is how you draw the element, the principal element. Where is this? This is here. If you draw something like that, the old one like that, the new one like that. It's not somewhere else. It's that point. Are you with me?
Yes.
Yes.
The old and the new. That's how you draw the first principal strain. So the maximum one is that one, the highest tensile or the highest elongation in that direction. 1. The highest compression in that E2. The deformation in negative in that one cannot be higher than 488. There's no such thing 500. Minus 500, there's nothing here minus 500. But minus 470, yes, somewhere, not in that angle. Okay? That's how confident you must do this calculation. Are you with me, guys?
Yes.
And then answer the second question. Okay? 338, 488. Okay? Write down there. 338, 488 minus. Okay? Now, we'll find the second maximum shear strain. Okay? You want to draw the maximum shear strain. Maximum shear strain happen first. First, we have to find the theta. Where is the theta? Remember in the stress analysis, the same thing. Where is the theta?
Plus
Theta
45.
X. Where is that?
45 from delta P.
Yes. Theta S is theta P plus 45. So what's that? 32.49 plus 45. What's the value there?
77.49.
77.49. So now this is 77.49. So this is 77.49. What's times 2? What do we have there?
154.98.
154.98. 154.98. So what is the value here? Everybody do the calculation. Jangan salin aja.
Negative 74.98.
Confirm it. Someone else.
Same, doctor.
Same, okay. Now, 90 degrees with that. What is that one? The partner of it. So partner of that one 90 degrees, right? So put the value, double the value, the angle. What is the value there?
334.98.
334.98. So the same equation there. What is the value there now?
Negative 75.02. Almost
Okay
the
lah.
same as negative
Yeah,
7.5.
negative 75.
5.
So this is also negative 75.
Mm.
Okay? So this is negative 75. This is also negative 75. The same, not?
Yes, the same.
Same.
Okay. This is not important. The important one is this one. So put back the angle there. 77, 77.49. So the double of the angle is 154.98. This is 154.98. So what is the value there? This is the maximum. This is gamma maximum over 2. So what is the value there?
Negative 413.82.
Negative 413.82. Somebody else confirm it?
Yeah, same.
Okay. And this is how confident you should do. Are you with me, guys?
Yes.
And then we want to draw that, the maximum shear. That also where? Where is the position first? The position is that direction, 77. So you must have X there. You must have 45 there. Put it down some more. Okay? X there, 45 there, 77 somewhere there. So this is your 77. 77.4. So this is your A direction. The partner of it must be B direction. Still remember what is AB?
Yes.
Maximum shear, right? And then the original diagram. These are the original diagram. So I want to draw the new diagram. Yeah? In the direction of A, the value is smaller, less than minus 75. This is also smaller, minus 75. And the angle is negative 413. Bigger or smaller?
Bigger.
Negative is bigger. So this 90 degrees here is the reference here, become bigger, become bigger. Bigger there, and up until the line, up until the line. And then you draw a parallel line. Are you with me?
Yes.
This is E average. This is E average. This value are the same, we call it E average. And that one is not important. The important is the one. Gamma maximum over 2 is equal to minus 413. Are you with me, guys?
Yes.
This is how you draw. So what is that position? That position is 45 degrees from the principal. This is 45 degrees here. This is the principal direction. Principal direction is that one and that one. 45 degrees from that one is the maximum shear. That means the angle is being twist, the highest. That's the meaning of principal shear, strain. Are you with me, guys?
Yes.
Okay. So we answer that one. Okay, we answered that one, right? So this is, what is the value just now? Average is minus 75. And then the maximum is minus 413. This is average. E average, this is gamma maximum. Yeah? And the angle is 77. 77 angle. Okay, clear, guys?
Clear.
Okay, now the third question. I want to find at an angle minus 30 degrees. Minus 30 degrees is where? Going down there. Same thing. Yeah? So what do we do? Same thing there. This is your x. So minus 30 degree there. This is theta is equal to minus 30 degree direction. Let's say you can put the name is E there. E direction. Whatever. The partner of it, your x there, this is minus 30 degrees. So the partner of it must F, EF. These are the original shape. So I want to find the value. So we go back to that calculation here. This is by calculation method. So what is the angle here?
Negative 30.
Negative 30. So this is minus 60. This is minus 60. So what is the value there?
Negative 312.26.
312. Okay, somebody else? Confirm it.
Same.
Same, okay. Go to the second one. So the angle now is what? Minus 30 plus 90 is positive 60. 60 times 2, 120. This is not minus anymore. This is positive now. Because F, E and F, 120. So what is the value there?
162.26. Positive.
162.26. 162 positive. Somebody else confirm it?
Yeah, same.
Same. Go with the angle, the third one, the gamma here. What is the angle here? Same with the first one. Theta is minus 30. So this is minus 60. So this is minus 60. So what is the value? Not max now. It's gamma x dot y dot at sum
339.05.
339 positive.
Positive.
Yeah. And then confirm it, your friend.
Same, doctor.
Okay. Now we draw it. The old element, that direction is that one. So what is that? In x dot or 30 degrees or minus 30 degrees, negative, smaller. In positive y or not y anymore, f direction, bigger, positive 162. And 339 is positive. So the angle smaller or bigger?
Smaller.
Smaller, this angle. So become smaller up until that line. Become smaller up until that line. And then you draw parallel line. Draw parallel line. Are you with me, guys? And write down there. This is E is equal to minus 312. This EF here is equal to positive 162. And the angle here is gamma x dot y dot over 2 is equal to 339. All the symbol is being shown there. Value and the shape. This is in the direction of that one. Are you with me, guys?
Yes.
Yes.
Minus 312 and then plus 162 for that one. And the angle is 339. Why do I mark that one?
Later can see when using more circle.
Correct. Yeah, good. Okay, now, second step is you want to use the more circle. Are you with me, guys?
Yes.
Now do the step of more circle. Remember the step of more circle. The first step, you must write down the point position. What is X point? From here, what is X point?
Positive 100. Then negative 375.
Negative 375. Okay? Your Y is equal to negative 250 and positive 375. I hope everybody have understood this one. We have done this so many times already. This is sign convention. What is being written here is belong to y direction. The other one is negative 375 belong to x. Are you with me, guys?
Yes.
Okay. Then we do the more circle. So we want to do roughly here. Look at this. Up to 375. So 400. Positive 400. And then this 100 there. So what do we do there? Do the marking there. 100, 200, 300, 400. 100, 200, 300, 400. 100, 200, 300, 400. 100, 200, 300, 400. Okay? You mark that one. Remember the Y one is what? The X one is what?
X1 is E.
E, yes. The Y one is
Gamma X1 over 2.
gamma over 2. Nothing to do YX. Gamma over 2, not gamma, okay? And then read the position there. 100, negative 375. So here, somewhere here. That's your X. And then read that. Minus 250, 1, 200, 250 there. Positive 375, somewhere there. That's your Y. That's your X. Draw a line there. Are you with me?
Yes.
So there is a center there. How do you find the position of center?
Divide
Mathematics again.
by 2.
What is that? Mathematics say again. How do you find the center value? Average. What is that?
Divide by 2.
Don't say divide by 2. What is how do we can achieve that one? What is the equation? A plus B divided by 2. X plus Y divided by 2. Are you with me?
Yes.
X plus Y plus divided by 2. So EX plus EY divided by 2. What is that? The average value. So what do we have there? 100 plus minus 250 divided by 2. What do we have there?
Negative 75.
Negative 75. So here is negative 75. The length distance from here to here is negative 75. The center value is negative 75 and 0. Are you with me?
Yes.
You must clearly understand the process of that one. And now, draw the triangle there. What is the height of that one? Draw it outside. So, I don't want to draw that one. I want to draw the right here. Also can. The bottom one here. So what do I have there? That one. So the height here is 375, right? What is the length from here to here? What is the length from here to here?
Hundred
Come on.
subtracted from 75 equal 25. 25, yes.
What is the value there?
75.
75 is that one.
I know.
That line
This
here.
yes, 25. 25.
Again?
Positive
Huh?
25. Positive 25.
No.
175. 175.
175 lah. This is 100. See that? The distance from here is 100. The position A. The distance here is
Body,
75.
Yeah, my bad. Subtracted. My bad.
This is what I'm worried about you. In front of you here, you cannot calculate. You cannot, how can I say? You cannot do on your own. Imagine this triangle here. What is the length here? And this is what I'm afraid. You are not fit to become an engineer. You cannot imagine this thing. Force yourself to understand. Are you with me, guys?
Yes.
You yourself can judge yourself. Can you see this thing or not? If you cannot see, you are not fit to become an engineer. Because very clear here. So why is the radius there? Why is the angle there?
The radius is 413.82.
413. Okay, 413. Want to double check very quick. Must be the same with gamma maximum, right?
Yes.
See that? The previous one, we do the one gamma maximum 413 there.
Yes.
That's how you must quick to check. So 413, what's the angle there?
64.98. Yes. The same.
64.98. Go to theta P just now. This is 2 theta. Remember that? There's the more circle, the angle is double, right? 2 theta P. 64.98. Same thing there. See that? 64.98. That's how quick you do. And then you know radius of 413 there. There's a circle there. So what is your sigma 1 there? Mathematics. You look that one and do that one calculation from here. What is sigma E1 there? How to get E1? Forgot already. How you got E1?
Radius.
What radius? Say it completely.
Radius minus 75.
No, center. You must start with center because you know the value of center. Center plus radius. Minus 75 plus 413. So what is that?
338.
See that? What is the principle? 338. Same thing, not?
Yes, the same thing. Exactly the
And
same.
now what is E2 there? Don't memorize things. Look from here how you set the equation on your own. Why is that?
Negative 75 minus radius.
Center minus radius. Negative 75 minus 413. So equal to?
263.
Wrong. Minus.
488.
You are normal, you say 488. It's no different with minus 488 because you are familiar, your head familiar with that. Engineer have vector in their head. Not just numbers. Are you with me?
Yes.
You can see that one here. Zero here, it must be negative there. And you say that 488. You are not saying the graph there. You are not looking at the graph there. This value here to the left must be negative there. And you don't realize it. This is what I call your head is not engineer yet. You're doing in front of you, you don't realize that is negative. Because you just looking at calculator value only. Okay. So we confirm it. Now the position. 1 there, X there, what is the angle there? X is there. You want to go from X to 1, what's the angle? From the graph. What's the angle just now? The triangle?
64.98.
So this must be, is that clockwise or anti-clockwise?
NT.
Anti-clockwise. So that must be X there, your X. Anti-clockwise 64, more circle. Real life is what?
32.
Yes, this direction of 1. X to 1, X to 1. Counterclockwise 32 degrees point. What is that value just now? 0.49. So you draw 1 there, must be 2 there. Original one, And then you read the value. What is the value there? Here is positive 338, bigger. And then here is negative 488, smaller. The angle is 0, gamma is 0 there and there. So maintain that shape. So the same shape with the one we calculate just now. The principal, this one, 338, 488. Are you with me, guys?
Yes.
That's how you do Mohr circle. And where is the maximum shear strain? Must be here. Point here. A and B there, at the bottom there. What is the value there?
Negative
Same with
4.
the center.
4.
Center value there. Center value 75 minus 75. And then the shear here is positive. Shear here is negative. Which one do I read? A or B?
A.
No. You still forget. Who belong to this? See that? This you write here, who belong to A, belong to X or Y?
Y.
Now you want to draw A and B here. You want to read the shear. Which one you read? X or Y?
Y.
Which one is Y?
B.
How many times? You have to school yourself, you know? The same procedure. If I use this one X, this is Y value. So if I go here, which value do I read? Y. The B. Negative. But must follow the same procedure. So to draw that one, where is that? From X. That's X there. Now I want to go from X to B or X to A. Let's say I want to go from X to A. How many angle there? From X to A.
In Mohr circle 154.98, but then in real life 77.
Okay, 77 from X to A. Counterclockwise. 77. So that is your A. This is 77 point what? That's now 449. So that is A. Partner of A must be B. There must be original shape. Original shape. And then read the value there. What is the A normal strain? Negative 75, smaller. What is B normal strain? Negative 75 also, smaller. What about the shear? Which one you read? The B1. The B1 is negative 413. Radius is 413, right? So negative become bigger or smaller?
Bigger.
That angle that you want to confirm, not that angle. Those are the elements that I want to draw. So this is your gamma maximum over 2. This one, I draw it from X to A. X to A. Very clear there. From X to A. 77 degrees. I mark X there. I mark A there. Very clear. And then I draw X direction there. And then I go to A direction there. Very clear, not?
Yes, very clear.
Some of you miss this procedure. There's no marking there. So how are you going to do the work? Okay? So now I want to draw this, but I don't want to go to A. I want to go from X to B. Can I do that?
Yes.
Yes. Also can. Let us do that one. Do I get the same element not? From X to B. This is your X. I want from X to B here. Go to B. What's the angle there?
25.02.
Half of that is what?
Half of that is 12.51.
12.51 going that way. Clockwise. So it means clockwise. you must mark here X going to B. You must mark that. See that? That B line here parallel to that B line there. See that? And then partner with B is A. Parallel not? Parallel not? This is how you do that one. And then read the original one there. Draw the original one there. So now you start with B, right?
Yes.
Don't ever forget. You all start with B, and then you find the A. Draw the B value there. Negative. Smaller. Smaller B value. The A value is also negative 75. Smaller. Now the angle. The angle you go start with B. Now you want to write the angle now. Which angle you want to read? B or A?
A.
This one is A because you start with B, right?
Yes.
A is positive or negative?
A is positive.
So smaller or bigger?
Smaller.
Smaller. And then draw a parallel line there. Is it the same shape not?
The same.
So this side smaller, this also smaller there. This one bigger, this one also bigger there. Are you with me, guys?
Yes.
Practice this a lot.
Doctor, I have a question.
Yes.
If it's stated like look for at the direction of 150 degree in example from X, so should I double for? I'm saying
More circle double. Okay.
I double.
150 degrees. Okay, let's do that. Let's do that here. You do the original equation first. The original equation, don't mix around. 150 degree from X. X, 90 degrees, 150 degrees there. So that your X, negative 150 degrees there. 150 degrees. So that is your what direction? That is your A direction. Do that one first. This is negative 150 degrees, okay? Are you clear?
Yes.
And then the partner of A must be B there. Then 90 degree there. Okay. This must be done first in your book. Your X direction is there and your A is there. This is original. Now you want to find the position in Mohr circle. Okay. How do you do that? Original 150 in Mohr circle must be double, right?
Yes.
More double from where? Read that from where?
From X.
Okay, do that. Where's your X? Here, your X is here. I want to go 150 degrees times 2. It's got 300 degrees clockwise and anti-clockwise here. Clockwise and anti-clockwise.
Clockwise.
Clockwise. From X, you go 300 degrees clockwise. Go slowly. 90 degrees. 180 degrees. 270 degrees. 300 degrees there. This is where you go from here, go there, up until there. That point is called, what point?
A.
A, because you use your mark, you use the A symbol just now from X to A. See that? So that must be also from X to A. This also must A there. And then you solve that triangle. From here to here is 300 degrees. So this is what here? This is 64 degrees. 300 degrees is where? More than here, right? Because this is 64 degrees. 300 degrees must be, the left must be 60 degrees, right? Your A must be there. Are you with me?
Yeah. Yes.
Because this is 64, right? So
Yeah.
this must be 300 then. So the total round is 360. One circle. So this is 64 degrees. So what's left here? That triangle here, draw that one. What is left that triangle there? What angle is that? 4.98. This is your, I want to find your height and when you base. Your radius is 413. What is the value there? Read that value. What is the value there? The shear value is that one. Gamma XY. The value here, how you get that value? Center plus B. How you get that value here? Yeah. What is EA there? What is EA there? Center plus B. Center is minus 75 plus B, that one. That's how you get your EA value. Are you with me?
Yes, very clear.
Very clear that one. This one more circle is very easy. You can look very clear. Are you with me, guys?
Yes.
Yes, doctor.
So, can we draw the element? Yes. We can draw the element. Read that one. That value is positive. Bigger. The A1, the B1 must be there. Negative. Smaller. A and B, I have to read the B. For sure, I have to read the B. The B is positive. Smaller. That's how you complete it. And right now, that one is gamma AB over 2. A is positive. That value. H. Are you with me?
Yes.
Yes.
You must be very confident with this. Okay. I hope you understand the equation method and the Mohr circle method. But all the process must be shown. It's not in your head. Are you with me, guys? Don't leave the process in your head. Show it. Why 300? Show the angle 300. Show the angle 150 there. Are you with me?
Yes.
Most of you do not show the things, just the final value. You are not an engineer. You are Form 5 student, punching calculator. All the process must be shown. That is the engineer. Why you have to show that one? We can double check our error. If there is error, we can always double check. That's the purpose. You do the diagram. You do the working in front of you. Are you with me?
Yes.
Your head is for exam because you just result only. Engineers is not for exam. Engineers show the working for your satisfactory, for your satisfaction, for your understanding, on your own understanding, your own checking, your own, whatever it is, your own. It's not nothing to do with test, nothing to do with marks. Your head is still by marking. That's why you just put result. You are result oriented. Change your attitude in learning. Can you please?
Yes, sure.
That's the problem because you guys, because your head is still Form 5 student. Just one result. If your result okay or not, I don't care your result okay or not. Is your process okay or not, your result will be okay. Okay. Now, let us do quick checking. I do not start with XY. I start with AB. Can I do that?
Yes, can.
AB just now we haven't done, right? Just XY, right? Are you with me there?
Yes.
Okay, let us do that by AB. Okay. I want to start my A and B. I never put this one is A. This is B. I never do this one. Because this is X direction. A is not direction. A is that direction. Never change A to X. Are you with me, guys?
Yes.
Some of you are doing AB, but you change the AB in XY. Don't do that. Okay, do it. So you do the A and B, that one. So I know my EA is equal to 300. EC is equal to minus 450. Now my theta is positive 45 for EB. Are you with me?
Yes.
So E theta is equal to EX. No, not EX. EA plus EC over 2 plus EA minus EC over 2 cos 2 theta plus gamma AC over 2 sine 2 theta. So solve that one. What do we have there? The value at that 250 there. That is theta is equal to 45 degrees. From A, 45 degrees. That value is minus 250. That value. Minus 250 is that value here. At that angle. From A. So that is 300 minus 4 plus negative 450 plus 300 plus minus plus 450 over 2 cos 2 theta. The angle is 45 degrees. Cos 90 degrees plus gamma AC over 2 sine 90 degrees. So what is the value? I want to solve gamma AC there. What is gamma AC there?
Negative
You do that in your
175.
homework. What is that?
Negative 175.
Negative 175. And negative 175. So you write down here gamma AC over 2 go to negative 175. This one belong to whom?
Belong to C.
C. The other one must be positive 175. Your head must also asking that question every time. So when you finish the first step here, I want to do it by more circle. It's much easier. I don't write with X. I write with A and C. But I know my A is 45 degrees from X. What's the problem? So start with 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, okay, 100. Okay, now read. What is your my A? A value is what?
300
300.
and positive 175.
Positive 175. B value is minus 450, negative 175. Read that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Is that true that? Yeah. 300 here, positive 175. 175 there. That's your A position. And then B position, negative 450, 450 there, negative 175. There. That's my B. Draw a line there. Draw a line there. This is actually the same more circle just now. But we are drawing from AB. Just now we got X from Y. Are you with me?
Yes.
The same more circle, the center must be the same. Negative 75. And the radius must be 413. Check it. Is that true? Okay. How to get the center? Last time. What is the formula?
EA plus EC over 2.
EA plus EC over 2. Average. So what do we have there? 300 minus 450 divided by 2. What is that?
Negative 75.
So this distance point here is negative 75. Point mean if you read from that 0 here, negative 75 there. So this is negative 400 triangle. Go to that triangle here. This is 300. This is 75. So what is the length of that base there? 375. What is the height there? 175. What is the angle there? What is the radius there?
Angle 25.02. 25.
Okay. So what is the radius? Radius is
413.
413. Same, not?
Yes.
Same. 413. So what is E1 there? And wrap this one. What is E1 there? Formula again, what is that?
C plus R.
Center plus, your center is minus 75 plus 413. What is the value?
338.
338. Okay, what is E2 there?
C minus R, center minus radius.
What is the value there?
Center.
Minus 4?
488.
488. So the angle just now is what just now?
25.
Okay. Now, I want to draw it. I want to draw the element. Okay? Look carefully. I know my A there. But my A is how many angle from X?
45 degrees from X.
45 degree from? From?
X.
From X. So that is your X. 45 degree, that is your A. Now I want to go to 1. This is 45 degree there. Now I want to go to 1 here from A. So how many angle there? 25. Original, that is small circle. Original is what?
12.5 divided by 2.
So 12.5 from?
From A.
A. 12.5 from A. Go that way. That is 12.5. That is direction of 1. This is 12.5. So what is the new angle that one? From X.
32.5.
Same not just now. That's how you draw that one. See that? You are drawing from A to 1. I must have the original one must have X and then the A there. A, and then how far is that from A to 1? A to 1 is there. So, if I want to find the position of X here, where is X here? X is clockwise, see that? X is clockwise from A, 45 degrees, right? So, X is clockwise from A, 90 degrees. See that? This is 90 degrees, right? 45 degrees from A to X, from A to X. So that must be X there. That must be Y there. So you can always find your X value and Y value. Same as the original one. Are you with me, guys?
Yes.
And this is how things work. See that? If that is 25, what's left there? That is 90 degrees. What's left there?
65. 55.
65, 25, 90, right? 65, right?
Yes.
The last time you write what? 64.98, right? Same thing, not?
Yes, same thing.
Yeah. Can you start with A and C? Yes, you can start with A and C. Draw more circle and then can you find X, Y again? Can you find the principal again? Can you find the maximum shear again? You want to draw from A, no problem. If you want to draw from A, you must know your A from X first. Your X there, original is X, nothing to do with A. A is 45 degrees. Oh, that is A. And now we want to draw from A. A is how many angle? That one, A to 1. Oh, clockwise. I'll go to that. That's one. So if that is 45 degrees, that is that one. Show it. Are you with me, guys?
Yes.
So that is we have a long class today. So see that? You can start with XY, you can start with AB, you can find the value, maximum principal strain, maximum shear strain, or strain at any other direction. You can draw it. You got the value and you can draw it. Okay, clear, guys?
Yes, very clear.
So I hope you become more and more confident with this. Okay, force yourself to understand. Okay, thank you, guys. Assalamualaikum.
Thank you so
Thank
much,
you.
Doctor.
Thank you,
Thank you, Doctor.
Thank you.
Thank you, Doctor.
Thank you, Doctor.
Thank you, Doctor.